In this demonstration, we are going to package SQL 2000 using the Cloudhouse AutoPackager. Our target operating system is Server 2016, and as you can see, SQL 2000 does not install natively on this version. Therefore, we must do our packaging on Server 2003. Here on our 2003 server, we are going to use the AutoPackage to capture the SQL 2000 installation. The first step is to create a temporary folder for the output of the container. The next step is to perform our first capture, which is a snapshot of the system prior to installing SQL 2000. Once completed, we can go ahead and install our application, in this case SQL 2000. It is now we can install any runtimes or dependencies along with the application. We can also make any configuration changes we want persisted in the container. Once the install has completed, we will resume the AutoPackager and press Next. This next screen will show all the detected applications that were installed in the previous step, and also allows us to launch these applications for an optional runtime analysis. Now that we have verified our application will successfully launch, we can go ahead and complete the capture. Once the capture is completed, we will have the ability to review files and registry captured during the packaging. The final step before creating the container is filling out the following details: the app name and app ID, along with the run executable and optionally a license token if available. Now that our container is ready, let's go ahead and move this over to our 2016 server by copying the container folder presented at the final screen. Here on the 2016 server, we are going to manually deploy the container using the command prompt. This will effectively install the application along with all the services and shortcuts detected during that packaging process. Once this deployment has finished, we can now use the application as if it were installed natively. As you can see, I can now start the SQL service using the SQL Service Manager provided in the container. If we take a look at Windows services, we can now see MS SQL Server running as a Windows service. I'm now going to launch the SQL Enterprise Manager and create a new database to test the functionality of the SQL Server. My final test will verify the interaction between native applications in the SQL container by creating a new ODBC connection. As you can see, SQL 2000 is now successfully running on Server 2016.